Hello everyone, it's Michelle, and today I am bringing you my first Christmas video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my dining room, and I didn't overdo it in the dining room because I am going to have people over during the holidays, and I don't want the table to be overly cluttered or the space to be where we can't have a good time. So guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right guys, so let me show you what I've done. Now I have these chairs here that have the what looks like a door knocker on the back. I decided to put in a couple of bows, which I made. These two head chairs here, I have these beautiful Joy pillows. Let me see if I can show it to you a little bit better. Yeah, they are fully beaded. These are from Ross last year, and I believe they were $11.99 each. And I have another one in this chair over here. And they are beautiful and super affordable. And they are definitely in my color scheme. On the table, like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. So the place setting that I'm going with, and I did not put like all the knives and different size forks and things like that yet. Depending on what I serve, I'll decide then like what I need to put on the table. Right now, just for the purposes of the video, I just put the fork and the knife just so you can see the set that I have. And this gold set here is from HomeGoods. And I believe the whole six piece of each was $29. And that was purchased last year. The plate set, this is also from HomeGoods. This is by, sorry about the wet, but I just washed them all, Harvest Green Studio. So these are very beautiful. They have the gold detail around the edge. And the green placemats, they are also from HomeGoods. The napkin with the beading on the end here is from Pier 1 back in the days. And the napkin ring holder, that one is from Gallerie. But those are easy to DIY. If you just get the ring, and you can get like keychains that have Christmas decor on it or whatever, or ornaments, and you just glue them together and that's it. All of the placemats, all the place settings are pretty much the same except for the ones on the end. And this one, I put an ornament in here. This is one of the ornaments that will be on my tree. And it's a little bit different of a set. It's got a little bit different scallop edge, and then I went in with this charger here and this beautiful gold placemat. And this is the silver versus the gold here. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit, add a touch of silver as my accent piece. Now down the center, I just went in with this beautiful garland here. Let me turn the light on. This beautiful garland that I got from, where did I get this from? I got this garland from BJ's Wholesale. They're sort of like Costco's and Sam's, but I don't know if they're as big as Costco and Sam's. So I don't know if everybody has a BJ's in their area, but yeah, I got that from BJ's. And this thing is 9 foot long. It's really thick. And it was $34. It was $34. And I love like the texture of it and everything like that. I put these berries in there. See, this up from Ross. This piece right here is, it was $8.99. So I'm gonna cut it up and put it in the garland. These are picks that I put in there. There's another size here that I put in. Also these bells, these are just ornaments that I stuck in there, and I put some ribbon in there as well that I got from Ross. It's a beautiful green velvet ribbon. It's 10 yards. I got it for $3.99, but I did get it last year, but I absolutely love it. Because my colors this year are green, gold, and white. Well, these 3 candle holders here, I will be lighting those candles, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And I just did a twirl ribbon in there on top of my sweater runner. This runner is from Hobby Lobby from last year. Got it at the end of the season. And so this one on this edge is the same as well. So I love the way this looks. Oh God, it looks so festive. So over here I put these curtains, my gold curtains or golden curtains. And so yeah, I like the way those look. And they could tie in with the gold on the table. And over here, I still have this beautiful picture, and it's very hard to show it, that I got from HomeGoods a while ago, but it's a beautiful picture. You can't really tell unless you're in person, but so unfortunately for that, this mirror piece, I'm not gonna get rid of. I know a lot of people are getting rid of their mirrored furniture because the designers or whoever out there are saying, oh, mirror furniture is out of style. Not for me, it's not, because I still love it and I'm going to keep it. And I love the fact that it reflects light in here and makes the space look bigger. And I just love the upscale quality to it. And so as soon as you get rid of it, then they'll be talking about it's back in style. So yeah, I'm good. Okay, so let me show you what I did on top of this buffet. So basically, I put my acrylic pieces over here. I have this acrylic there and the glass candle holders, and I'm going to light these when the time comes. I did put these picks. This is another garland here that I got from Ross, and I put these picks in here. I put these berries in here because it came with nothing. It's just a plain garland. I have more of my ribbon, my ornament, and I just did that all the way along. I made this bow right here, which is super cute for right in the center. And then I have another acrylic deer. I've had these acrylic deer for many, many years, and I always pull them back out. And so yeah, I put another one on that side, and that pretty much finishes it off. And I love the way this looks, and the way everything lights up at night is perfect. Oh yeah, my big vase here, I had this here already with some other stems in it, and I really didn't want to move it because it's so beautiful in here. So I decided to put these 2 picks in here. These picks were purchased at Ross, and that's how much they were. And this is what it's called, Evergreen Grove. And it's just 2 of those stuck in there, and they look absolutely beautiful. I love the berries and the pine cones and everything like that. So yeah, this is what it is. Over there is my cabinet, bookshelf, china cabinet, whatever it's called. But I didn't really do anything Christmas in there except for I put that deer right there. That was it. That is it. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for coming along the way with me today and checking out my dining room for Christmas. This is just the first of the videos. I will have my living room, kitchen, and of course, guys, I'm going to do the bathrooms. And I am considering doing my bedroom too. But definitely bathrooms. I always decorate bathrooms for Christmas, so I will definitely be bringing you that. So guys, thanks again for coming along with me today. And I hope you have a good holiday season, and I will see you in the next one.